Hi everyone, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to insert DS Coda symbols into a Noteflight composition. These are the symbols that we've been talking about in class, so we're going to do this really quick. I've got my short little song here. Yours is probably much better than mine because you probably have tas and tts and rests and ta's. I made mine really plain and boring, so yours is probably much more exciting than mine. I want to have some repeat symbols. Remember, da capo means go back to the corner of the song, da capo, da corner. But DS means we have to go back to that special sign. Dal segno means the sign. So we're going to go back here. We're going to put one of these little signs in along with a Coda bug, 2 Coda bugs, right? So just in case you don't remember how to do that, all you do is pick where you want your Coda section to be. My Coda section is going to be right here, if my computer will cooperate with me. There it is. Make it orange and just click there. I am going to tell my musician to go back to the sign right here. So I need to click here. This is where it gets a little tricky. Remember, menu, and then text and performance text. And I'm going to type in DS Signo. Okay. And where is the sign? Actually, you know what? We'll do DS Coda. What I'm thinking there. Sorry, DS Coda. Dal segno is DS. I'm going to get rid of my menu box. Where am I going to put this squiggly sign at? The DS means the sign, so where should I put the dal segno sign? I think I'm going to have it go almost back to the beginning. I think I'll do here, make it orange, click. And what is the other thing I need? 2 Coda bugs, right? So I'm going to have it go through, go back here, and then right here I think I'll tell it to jump to the Coda. And hopefully you remember what to do when you think that you have it all in there, is that you just push play and we test it out. So test yours out, see how it goes.